Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? As you can see by the box, we're looking at a different type of Seiko watch, the Seiko Astron. And today we're going to be unboxing the SSH024. And I like the boxes of the Astron. They look really cool. A little more futuristic than your usual Seiko box. Which isn't much, but the Seiko Astrons do come with a nice box. They really tried with the boxes here, and you can see there the different pamphlets that come with it. Very cool. And of course the usual Seiko warranty booklet with the warranty card inside. So now that we've seen the boring stuff, let's go take a look at this watch. Open it up. Okay. And I guess they put this around the watch to help when they're mailing the watch, so it doesn't give any interference, because the Astrons do come with an airplane mode. Here we go. Really nice looking watch, very sharp. Beautiful rose gold and black. It's a hard combination of beat. This is really a stunning watch. Now, I'm usually not too crazy about the Astron series. This is the first one I've unboxed and reviewed. I've seen them before. This is the new series. This is the 5X series. This model is one of the new 5X series. Again, the model number SSH024. It's got that cool black rubber band with it. And what I like about this new series is look how thin that is. That is great. Now, that super thinness is really cool, because the older Astrons, they were kind of thick. They felt almost like like an iWatch or something like that in thickness. And it's understandable. It's got to have the receiver to get the signals from the GPS satellite. So this 5X series is fantastic. I mean, I really like it. I've seen all the models. And we'll go ahead and we'll talk about the different models, and I'll unbox the different ones as we get them. And this is really nice. The Astrons used to be a lot thicker, and so with an Astron, what it does is it gets satellite signals from space. Satellites up in space. There's a receiver there, and it helps correct the time on there. Now this watch, because of the satellite thing and stuff, it needs to be even on an airplane mode, which is kind of funky and kind of cool. Again, it's a really nice looking watch, very futuristic looking. They've kind of outdone themselves. I was never really too impressed with the Astron series before, but this new series looks really sharp. The thinness, the way it fits around your wrist, it's cleaner, it looks nicer. You can see it there. This is a great size. Some people might find it a little large, but when you compare it to the other Astrons, it's a good size. Here we can see it in the dark. Very Art Deco kind of feel with the glow in the dark there. And this series is inspired by the original 1969 first quartz Astron, and it's very cool. It's a great heritage, and I think they've kind of elevated the whole Astron line. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.